Good afternoon, friends. Now, I would like to discuss about zero based natural farming and its role for the conservation of biocontrol agent or beneficial organisms found in agroecosystem. Friends, zero based natural farming is the way of farming, or it is the farming based on the principles of nature with zero expenditure from market. IPM, integrated pest management, is the way of farming going towards the nature and away from the chemicals. Now, what is the role of natural farming in the conservation of biocontrol agents or beneficial organisms found in agroecosystem? Now, what is conservation of biocontrol agents? To make environment better suited for the development of biocontrol agent is called as conservation of biocontrol agent, and removal of those cultural practices which are harmful for the biocontrol agents or beneficial organisms found in agroecosystem is called as conservation of biocontrol agent. Now, the zero budget based natural farming helps to develop the beneficial organisms, microorganisms found in crop field. Thus, it helps to conserve the biological control agents or other beneficial organisms found in agroecosystem. Conservation of biocontrol agents or the conservation of beneficial organisms in the agroecosystem is one of the major activity in implementation of integrated pest management. Zero budget natural farming helps to make ecosystem and environment better suited for survival of biocontrol agent. Since no trash burning is recommended in natural or zero budget based natural farming, so it helps to conserve the beneficial organisms found in agroecosystem, because it helps in natural farming or the zero based farming, the mulching of the crop residue is recommended, which helps to conserve the beneficial organisms or biocontrol agents found in the agroecosystem. It also prevent the burning of trashes or trash burning in the field. Thus, it helps to conserve the biocontrol agent or the beneficial organisms in agroecosystem. Since no chemical is used in zero budget based natural farming, so it also provide a congenial condition, suitable condition for the development of the biocontrol agent in the field. Zero based budget, zero budget based natural farming is the way of ecological engineering. It's a kind of ecological engineering which makes the agro ecosystem congenial to conserve the biocontrol agents or beneficial organisms found in the agroecosystem or in the crop field. Zero budget natural farming helps to conserve the beneficial organisms or biocontrol agents found in agroecosystem because it makes the conditions congenial. It prevents the application of insecticide, application of any chemicals. Zero budget natural farming helps to maintain ecosystem operative, which helps to conserve the biocontrol agent, biodiversity, and nature and its resources. Besides the biocontrol agent or beneficial organisms, it also helps the conservation of natural resources and biodiversity in the field. There is no place in the chemical farming in zero budget based natural farming. Natural system is operated in a way which is helpful to each other. It is operated in the way which is helpful among each other, all the beneficial organisms as well as the non-living things found in the field. Natural system is a self-sustained system which helps to develop the population of natural enemies of pest or beneficial fauna found in the agroecosystem. Let's not disturb the nature, a natural system or natural balance of the crop fields by way of preventing the harmful inputs in the crop field. We must prevent the application of harmful inputs such as the chemical fertilizers and insecticide. In natural farming or zero budget based natural farming, we don't recommend any chemical. The indiscriminate use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers have deteriorated and disturbed the agroecosystem. And this disturbed agroecosystem needs to be sustained. Need to be restored, and through adoption of natural farming, this can be restored. Intercropping recommended in zero budget based farming system helps to conserve the beneficial fauna found in agroecosystem, as it provides the food or pollen form of the pollen grain, etc., for the biocontrol agent or for the beneficial organisms found in crop field. Now the microclimate found among the leaves or among the plants or among the plants found in crop fields helps to develop the beneficial microorganisms in the field. it helps to develop a suitable microclimate for the development and for the conservation of beneficial microorganisms found above the ground as well as below the ground. Certain microorganisms are Trichoderma viridi, Trichoderma hertzianum, Metarhizium anisopyle, Beauveria bassiana. These are the beneficial microorganisms. They help to regulate the pest population, and they also the natural budget or natural farming, yeah, zero budget based natural farming helps these microorganisms in the crop fields. Thank you very much.